Is this a Sammy Gyamfi man who coin? Emma ye di sadie we a shen a minute. Now or twas so na. And maybe Baba Sammy Gyamfi will go to jail.
It's the final Okatakyie Afrifa for the first time. Okatakyie Afrifa GoldBod loss na ho. Obechere na adwen e wo ho. Me man chiri mu no akere wa adwen ama me. E wo comment section. Hi Penyah block media. Mess ba say ni di mu. Obe like video no other mo subscribe button. Na be click notification icon of latest update. Na be chere wa adwen de ama me. E wo comment section so ba so a. No ase for onya bia hwe. Since the creation of GoldBod, there has been a whole lot of discussion on the internet. Emma Eba say GoldBod eto gold from Galamsey's eho. Eba ya no mka say GoldBod no ebe supporting Galamsey government, ebe supporting Galamsey activities. Ebe ya din say with Galamsey associate GoldBod was asem na free for the kan ye. Emma later Eba say GoldBod eto gold every Galamsey for honomo. Next abe confirm and some free for kan ye. And said the GoldBod is coming to support Galamsey activities abe confirm. But that time the buy no. Sammy Gyamfi Beka said GoldBod is not buying gold from Galamseyers. But abusia and 2 days ago, Anna Bank of Ghana Governor Dr. Siama make it post. Okasaye. Now the same kind of ochiremo 2026 New Year, New Year resolution. And then one be bugu akwam ni ade ade. And what you say? Nyame adomu a 2026 na ye kwa wuremu no. The government will stop buying gold from Galamseyers. The government will stop buying gold from Galamseyers. Naturally say, eba say Galamsey GoldBod etom gold na Sammy Gyamfi Beka say nyane kwena or patch say. But well, we watch, we listen, we don't judge. A day of accountability will come, and Ebeye Sirwagana Hadamo, Ebeye Fepa to be a very nice movie that we will all watch it. A very nice movie. Now let's go to the actual conversation. Last week now GoldBod here can was him here. Omaboka. Ekasulu ama acquired the media na so 214 million choppable US dollars. Na eba ye no. Na man for be able to say Penyah na Afrifa kura wan kasa ye. Afrifa say the man of wisdom. Or say it be called the page and Afrifa Beka oh. Say no Beka say na but na me na me hu ye. Because say no, I make it post 6 days ago. Then I should happen now Afrifa try na adwen e wo ho. When is Afrifa actually say we are not here to gloat. Just say ye ni has ye bedwa ye num. Oh, ye ni has say we are coming to blow our own trumpet. We are not here to gloat. But the record is there. Go back and watch our earlier videos from the days when this so-called GoldBod was being assembled by this killnet-styled government. Everything we warned about is unfolding right before your eyes. Everybody says, young question, and some will come for GoldBod home. What I say? Time when the GoldBod issue, no bill, no call parliament, this killnet-styled government, person pass that bill, no. Every person or can send be send the warning in our move. Now, young coffee and this more car, and someone has started APP, ATB, dear, madam, said there be every far March move. I never buy life for the records. And honor and all the video way a buyer.
Is this a Sammy Gyamfi man who coin? Emma ye di sadie we a shen a minute. Now or twas so na. And maybe Baba Sammy Gyamfi will go to jail. On any board in India, because they will cause financial loss to the state, and no cause financial loss to the state here. And there are some major in the board in India. A very dangerous precedent in almost setting, and say it will be the greatest scam of all time in this country. Sammy Gyamfi in the board, no. And you done as Sammy Gyamfi. Our your communications in the just ye to a baby na first thing is what Dimmy Kakoshe baby ocean. No money a bray, so GoldBod on the you best set it. GoldBod, you best set it. Our brother, what promise 11 3 months in here, or repealing. Our brother, my mayor campaign or promises LI 2646, the Akufa 2462, the Akufa the demand for focus and go to Galamsey, or promises man for us will be repealing, or buy on some people 170. It's Musa Sedientia, Yababecho. Mrs. GoldBod way is the biggest scam of all time. Sammy Gyamfi was all the gold. Would it be too gentle? No, Sammy Gyamfi in the board, no. Enya Approvia. Sir, you be jail for 10 years. Now angel for can be yesterday. Or my retracting. What is there to retract? When it's clear in the law. It's within the law. A law is within the I've angel for retracting yani. What the among us on retracting? Yeah, now that I'm going to make us all retracting. For me, put jail. You will say Sammy Gyamfi say. Per the Mrano Diaban GoldBod bill. I know my pass here by acting. Or say a small scale mining gold in Obabeto. And yes, sir, yet working. If it's a Newmont, Anglo Good, precious mining near day, or Monton or Munyama Sammy Gyamfi. That would you mean? Omon Thomas Sammy Gyamfi. And Sammy Gyamfi so better small skillful. The Yabusi and question say, Kurobo small scale miners in the other say. Menu see a issue lines and says small scale. In actual fact, a galamsey. Omoya galamsey. Etiabaya waba so be fighting galamsey. Now if it was says to GoldBod. Now GoldBod ne kwako to gold. Ababra menu said 3 tons of gold per week, 12 tons per year month. And you're feasible. Say galamsey and Kosua. Sammy Gyamfi was 400 million a year Ghana city, and they could to gold every month. Miss Wabeko jail because of a worker, and you ever heard the India. But they got just a small scale miners behind the crew. Kakarabi and a year compliance with the law. Or Mama Kwaji a year small scale a year license in Galamse no Mutu. Galamse, or say so, or Casso Bay year market funding at the Amas small scale miners. Not just what a year funding, never NDC party a parachix. And I mean, no Casay. NDC Fonkwa, the Gungure Mutu Galamse. And then, according to Erastus, a year Saredonko, Western North Regional Minister, Etimi Koko stop it so therefore most topic Galamse yes. So Mumu Sare ho. So NDC for to see. It is a sea fight Galamse. In one breath, Sammy Gyamfi the board we, or money your chest or money your man can say on best fight Galamse. And then Tina Joma promises say, Oba, Oba repealing LI 2462. And Makwama enter into a year the forest. After the other, Oba and Ajumana Sem. I think we shall amend it. So what did John Mahamadi at your own peril? John Mama knew Bia or cancer Majidi. Indecisiveness, indecision. It says, my first good teacher, President John Mahamadi Koshi. So one of the see any indecisive or no. It will capture a month for us to be repealing LI 2462. And nobody else we shall amend it. When we did it's so repealing. Now, man, for me, I'm quite a forester. GoldBod, not the no more. Almost sank. And I'm so one per se, you use the mining of gold to destroy our forest, to destroy our river bodies. It is a cotton, a year gold will a mine Joshua. Or more stress with traceability. Gold no crowd here and saying, we are then a nyai. And then Sammy Gyamfi illegal miners gold no better. You must answer cotton way. If it's a traceability report, no, so I want to see gold free a small scale miner. I want to talk. What do you mean? It's about Kaya, time where yes, you're oil for gold, no. Or man to me, I'm fat, yeah, gold now, you're free a small scale miners, one anqua man just direct. You compare intermediary a year Dubai. I don't know, Nigeria gold, no, we are compare oil, dear brain. Chenio. It is Sammy Gyamfi say, or budget small scale miners, in effect, a galamsey, not the aquacoton, or beton way. If the traceability report will show that these gold were acquired through a illegal means, and they won't buy. World Market London Bullion Market Association, Organization of Economic Cooperation and Development, World Gold Council, and a Responsible Jewelry Council, they will not buy. It will say Sammy Gyamfi or cotton gold no way, but Oboa or more G gold. No more the private jet as a or Mabe Jinata Makinaso, and yes, and what to wash home. A person shall not engage in a business or related activity in the gold trading and the marketing industry in the country unless the person has been granted a license by the GoldBod. Sammy Gyamfi license in effect obe license and this phone before in gold. That is what happens when there is a state-controlled market. And anything in 4 years, you can't see on the regulatory the prices of one year there. So any as you fight here, Sammy Gyamfi said, so no more gold license. You said the year politics were my way. MPP need bien over money license on go to good. And I'm not what I'm saying. or say a person shall not engage in a business or related activity in the gold trading and marketing industry in this country unless the person has been granted license in the gold board by the gold board. Now, Yanko 2, also for the purposes of subsection 1, a business or related activity in the gold trading and the market industry includes 1. Aggregation, buying, selling, assaying, exportation, importation, refining, processing, shipment. Now go for yanko ya de so submit onioma e koma board no na se board na an grant license wo musu o any an grant license yes set up gold board tribunal it bra gold board tribunal na ba gold board tribunal na wo mbo so man na set wo tribunal. So it breaches even the principle of normal Judas in Casaso to be a judge in your own court, and 2 principles of a law, justice, and they say you have to be adi artery pattern. See a medical wonka and Sunday ye buating. I say no na chief justice yes a montim and cancer mo buating. And another principle is normal Judas in Casaso. It means you cannot be a judge in your own court. And then Sammy Gyamfi and Marano, they set gold board tribunal. Now gold board tribunal. What the qua near do us, Mamma. After we are, Sanya Oda, Fako appeal. Young Congo ready 62 near Radia. After Sammy Gyamfi in the month for the gold bono, and I'm so more cool mindset. Sammy Gyamfi say be a medicine license application by and a man grant me. Na media court tribunal, not tribunal, nama a year judgment. Say, ya should be young farmer. As a court, you can only raise a issue on point of law and not point of fact. So even if the board, the tribunal, and share a fact and other by and say, oh, Namubusa a year may date of birth, made by Namubusa a year a may business registration certificate, made by Namubusa a year may bank statement, made by. So corner tribunal and say, still loud way in Aba, na yam famawa, or so called appeal now. You cannot go to appeal on telling the court say all the requirements that they asked for, I met the requirements. You must go and tell the court say emrebi ana anko ye na nya fact no wo mu no e dey no mo dey hide into omo person bia. That means say MP before the court, that's one grant omo near the court tribunal na tribunal ni buti MP ni a okọ anya afa na okọ raise fact okọ akọ mu dem go kan law John Mahama ne eye Sahel region for no ayi wakina ne wanwan omo di agro Russia frontier Russia for and the na no maybe born remaguma so say na campaign message can every here campaign scan no if I hear buy et no buy ye one bo a year appointment ambassadors one more appointment and so appointed Bevlola to so on Sahel for daily it was be me say Bevlola to Sahel for daily but when Russia for daily baby to go no ye busa God no what the kosi awowa e ma a country be ya and near brehwe God akotua kai a politics, either you are right, center right, and now center left. Center right for one a capitalist and one MP before a professor me, and a center left and here almost say, I want me and chroma yes, na angu kwesi where your center left. It will need your mama near the one going to come and crew. It will not or check your mama pa. I didn't know what I say. Your mama and me so be a galamsia where you useless government. Yamana Mecca. Uncle Sineka, Massa, Sammy Gyamfi say they obey Bia and obey. Young Shabam Mount for them. Now let the records show. Say I spoke against this thing because a maybe Sammy Gyamfi, if care is not taken, obey Kuji. In any government, a be free a bemu. One way as Sammy Gyamfi Kojo. Says Sammy Gyamfi man who kwama a year the old politicians in you suno. To set their own agenda. This is Sammy Gyamfi Kojo is a baby bar for causing financial loss to the state. And make sure did ya. Obi, Mrs. Sabina Sammy Gyamfi man who kwine. Emma ye di sadie we a shen a minute. Now or twas so do ye na. And maybe Baba Sammy Gyamfi will go to jail. On the board in India because they will cause financial loss to the state and no cause financial loss to the state. And there's Sammy Gyamfi in the board in the year. A very dangerous precedent in almost setting. And say it will be the greatest scam of all time in this country. Sammy Gyamfi in the board, no. So almost one pass gold a year bill, no. He is the president in the Sabashasi. Now, question me, Busa Kofi. A year then as Sammy Gyamfi. Our your communications in the just ye to a baby, na first thing is what Dimika Koshe baby ocean. No money a brain, so GoldBod don't yet. You best set it. GoldBod, you best set it. Our brow, Mutia, promise 11, 3 months in here, Omunya repealing. Our brother Mama campaign or promises say LI 2646, the Akufa 2462, the Akufa the demand for focus and go to Galamsey, or promising man for us to be repealing, or buy on swamp 170. It's Mumusa Sedientia, Yababecho. Mr. Sao GoldBod way is the biggest scam of all time. And I know million angel for Omkoka say, yes, GoldBod, no, oh, the good Abeko Jila, yes, you man for so much or more apologize. Our brother, you read the free, madam, section 69 of the GoldBod bill, which will be passed into act when the president accent a year is year. Sammy Gyamfi was all the good, would it be too gentle? No, Sammy Gyamfi in the board, no, Enya approvia, Sa. You be put jail for 10 years. Now, angel for can be a yesterday. Or my retracting. What is there to retract? When it's clear in the law, it's within the law. A law is within a eh? I've angel for retracting. What your monk was retracting. Yet, neither than me make us all retract. For me, put jail. Some of them, from coming. If some chrono na mobile man for chrono and a board in the mobile man for somebody else is authoritarian law ever. And as a big investment country say, so no baby who do go to grab a necklace. We hear permission from one Sammy Gyamfi. We will read the law. Also, nobody can use a year gold to do necklace without a permission. Why are you read the law and I'm to an American? Who will go to that one with their necklace? Sammy Gyamfi so we have permission through another. You go read the law if I am lying. I don't know. Sammy Gyamfi in the board, GoldBod. Almost main country say. So the case Kuraba say be a tribunal now. Or military mindset, new cool mindset. Instead of saying court, almost almost set GoldBod tribunal, no court. Instead, I say me a court. Almost set a special a tribunal. A tribunal never better cases in the show. Now man can say set to a mobile court, and they will become their own judges in their own court. Nani was it so court in nas oko tribunal no na tribunal ni make decision a obetimi a appeal dem mo appeal on point of law nko na betimi appeal no point of fact ye be kire mo mate ase Sammy Gyamfi obi ye busa Sammy Gyamfi say per dem ra no de aban GoldBod bill I know my pass here by act no or say a small scale mining gold no babeto and yes sir you do work if it's a Newmont Anglo good precious mining near there omon ton omon your mama Sammy Gyamfi that uti me omon ton Sammy Gyamfi and Sammy Gyamfi so beto small scale for na ye busi ho question say kuro emu small scale miners in yedo say out of the several hundreds of a year license a year issue almost small scale omumu do say na year omu follow the compliance in the amount no me no me nyina nim say issue license small scale in actual fact a year galamsey omu ye galamsey eti abanya wa ba so obe fight galamsey na afi was say set GoldBod na GoldBod ne kwa to gold ababra me no me nyina nim say 3 tons of gold per week 12 tons per year month and you're feasible say galamsey ankoso a Sammy Gyamfi so waje 400 million a year Ghana city and they go to gold every month amaye me so obeko jail because obeboka and you be hwede entia Kofi Sammy Gyamfi say omako pass gold bill e die na mo pre omo ye die krono be ya afi e hwede yi ade omo ye ne say precious mining ton maye Anglo good in ton maye ene ayi e kan say ayi wo mo maka ne ton maye de Newmont mo ton maye and ye be semra nche ne kutupa indirectly so mo nko no mo nko tu galamsey no na mo ye de be semra nim say ye fande wo mo eti ye nko ne nko hwemra no Fameko a section 25 of the law. Section 25 of the law. Na yen hwede o matro ho. How I say the board of directors shall each year earmark funds for the GoldBod to provide support for small scale miners. But they got just small scale miners be any crew with mu. Kakra bi pe and a compliance with the law. O mama kwaje a small scale a license nyina galamsey no mutu. Galamsey. So okaso be earmark funding at the small scale miners. Not just what the a funding ne be ma NDC party apparatchiks. And me no be no ka say. NDC fon kwa ne gungure mo mutu galamsey. And according to Erastus Ayasare Donko, Western North Regional Minister, etimi koko stop it soldier for almost stop it galamsey yes. So mo sore ho. So NDC for atisi. So Sammy Gyamfi controversial mu say the board of directors each year will earmark funds to GoldBod to provide support for small scale miners. The earmark funds shall be used to provide concessional funds. And concessional funds usually to galamsey. Grants and guarantees to a licensed small scale miners. Small scale miners do say no chrome ha. Or follow the rules, or follow the procedures, or follow the compliance. It way the all can say ye be ye market ye discover for her. Yeah, they come NDC for me galamsey. If it's a major visit every week, or more better 3 tons of gold, and yet possible. Say galamsey for nan to us one, and yet possible. Now new ones go how many tons a week? It is a sea fight galamsey. In one breath, Sammy Gyamfi the board way, or money your chest, or money your man can say on best fight galamsey. And then see that your mama promises say, Oba, Oba repealing LI 2462. I am Makwama enter into a year the forest. After the onre, Oba and a Joman assembly. I think we shall amend it. So what did John Mahamadi at your own peril? John Mama knew Bia or cancer Majidi. Indecisiveness, indecision. It says, my first coup d'etat. President John Mama Dikoshi. So one of the see any indecisive or no. It will capture a man for us to be repealing LI 2462. And the Oba we shall amend it. What do you do? It's all repealing. No man for it me and call a forester. GoldBod not the no more. Almost sanka. City FM4, I say acting managing director of PMMC, says that the government will not ban small scale mining. It is but will support licensed miners with concessions, training and logistics. Omudi nkomobi tieni o omo say MPP for buy no omo ma asante for e de wuram ekoye galamsey ye ntisika kodi MPP for e ka kire o kobi Sammy Gyamfi so kwa akoton Ghana for good every week bia obeto 3 tons so a month obeto 12 tons me ni o mienu dina ni say world market price of gold is determined by world market and ye na determine it is Sammy Gyamfi koto sa 3 tons 12 tons a month na ye hwe the dollar rate ni ade any gold market say the total gold rutogu a it meet from na ye ma hwe omo mo di gold dwanim it is Sammy Gyamfi issue esika ekoto gold ni wia under no circumstance and obetimi predicted the prices of gold on the world market it obebo yeka Sammy Gyamfi obebo yeka but where avenue so wo bedi mema wo nkrofo anya sika die no gold no Kofi uye no free wa before anybody can go and sell gold on the world market ya world market institutions be brave say London bullion market a year a friend say and maminya London Bullion Market Association, Organization of Economic Cooperation and Development, World Gold Council, Responsible Jewel Council, share the certification of the gold before they will allow you to come and sell your gold on the world market. Now, in the Omoshapa, I did a friend traceability report, and I'm so one person you be using the mining of gold to destroy our forest, to destroy our river bodies. It is a cotton a year gold will a mine Joshua, or traceability, gold no crowd. And saying, we are then and then Sammy Gyamfi illegal miners gold no better. You will stand so control away. If the traceability report no, so omo trace gold na se free a small scale mining na. Omo nto. Oni me dia. Etuba kaya time yes ye koye oil for gold no. Omo antimi amfa ye gold na ye to free a small scale miners one ankwa manja so direct. Ye compare intermediary wo a Dubai. And ono na na gi ye gold no. No wi a wakope oil dia bre. Chenio. It is Sammy Gyamfi say, or budget small scale miners, in effect, a galamsey, not the aquacoton, or but one way. If the traceability report will show that these gold were acquired through a illegal means, and they won't buy. World Market London Bullion Market Association, Organization of Economic Cooperation and Development, World Gold Council, and a Responsible Jewelry Council, they will not buy. It will say Sammy Gyamfi, or cotton gold no way, but Obwa, or more G gold, no more the private jet as sa, or Mabe Jinata Makinaso, and the sa, and what to wash your no accountability. Then I make a chill. Obi Yanko share a year section 26. Nobody can engage in a year trading of gold. Ironically, I thought it was just trading of gold. But even so, gold now person would molding into jewelry. Sammy Gyamfi say you need permission from them. What kind of authoritarian law is this? Are we mad or something? A person shall not engage in a business or related activity in the gold trading and the marketing industry in the country unless the person has been granted a license by the gold board. Sammy Gyamfi license in effect obe license and this phone before in gold. That is what happens when there is a state-controlled market. And until I'm 4 years, you can't see I'm on a regulatory the prices of one year there. So any as you fight chairs, you play. Sammy Gyamfi said, so no more gold license. You said the politics were my way. MPP need bien over my license on go to good. And I'm much what I'm saying. Was it a person shall not engage in a business or related activity in the gold trading and marketing industry in this country unless the person has been granted license in the gold board by the gold board. Now, Yanko 2, was it for the purposes of subsection 1, a business or related activity in the gold trading and the market industry includes 1, aggregation, buying, selling, assaying, exportation, importation, refining, processing, shipment. Have a bunch of Sammy Gyamfi in the gold board, no? Oko section 26 clause 3. Or say a person shall not engage in 1, the fabrication of the casting, the mints and jewelry without gold board. It would mean fabricating jewelry and fan to come abra gold board and must have permission. Are we mad? Is this law? Which authoritarian law is this? Sammy Gyamfi say or no more permission. Obi antimi fa the gold. Say just wait to way. Na me pay gold atumi ko. Na me pese me ko hunu just wait. Or say we cannot do a without a permission unless that person has been granted a license by the gold board. Sammy Gyamfi o say me kan kire mo. Say some person mo di gold ye che tu mu ko mu a. Just how beje license ru no Sammy Gyamfi in the board o. And which woman we be mra. We be mra. Hey, Ghana for more. Now, JJ Rollins squad will cool leader. Obey some Rafusi. Emrafusi. JJ Rollins be Emrafusi. Now go fian Congo yadi. So submit on Yoma. Eko ma board no. Na se board na an grant license. Almost any an grant license. Yes, set up gold board tribunal. It bra gold board tribunal. Now ba gold board tribunal na. Ombo. So man set to a tribunal. So it breaches even the principle of normal Judas and Casas to be a judge in your own court. And 2 principles of a year law, justice, and they say, your friend be Adi Arteran Party. See a medical wonka and Sunday ye buating. I say no chief justice, yes, and one time can send more buating. And another principle is no more Judas and Casas. It means you cannot be a judge in your own court. And there's Sammy Gyamfi and Marano. There's a 2 gold board tribunal. Now gold board tribunal. What the qua near do us, Mamma? After we are, Sanya or da, Fako appeal. Young Congo ready 62 year radio. Obi say uko law court na the case kotoa ye di case ni wie na o hwe say oh ebia there were some facts be na say high court to here but high court anhwe it may call appeal na uko appeal you can raise a point of fact not law and your what cases are ebia na mmara bi wo ho a say court ne hwe ma wanhwe it court na buantenchia o de call appeal you raise point of law so afa Sammy Gyamfi ne manfo ni GoldBod no and am so mu cool mindset nti Sammy Gyamfi say ebia me de license application by ana man grant me na me dia court tribunal na tribunal na ma a judgment say ya hwe be yam fama as a court you can only raise a issue on point of law and not point of fact. So even if the board, the tribunal no and share a fact and they buy and say, oh, na busa a year me date of birth, me de buy. Na busa a year me business registration certificate, me de buy. Na busa a year me bank statement, me de buy. So corner tribunal and say, still loud way in ba na yam fama wa. Also ko appeal na you can not go to appeal on telling the court say all the requirements that they asked for I met the requirements. You must go and tell the court say emrebi ana anko ye na nya fact no wo mu no e dia no mo de hide into omo person bia that means say MPP for the court that's one grant omo near the court tribunal na tribunal ni butia MPP nia okwa anya afa na okọ raise fact okọ akọ nem go kan law yen go 622 near area or say appeal against decision of the tribunal. A party who is dissatisfied with the decision of the tribunal on a matter may appeal to the court of appeals. May appeal to the court of appeals. Now read the section 62(2). Or say an appeal under subsection 1 shall be on point of law only. Sammy Gyamfi no board madwene yamoya. I'm telling you. Then the take a crowback from consistency. Or say an appeal under subsection 1 shall be on point of law only and filed within 30 days of decision of the tribunal. We dictate a bien or better idea. Now, much be beer. John Mahama ne a yes, a hell region for no working and no one. Oh, dear, grow. Russia frontier. Russia phone. And the Yana no maybe born Remaguma so send a campaign message can every here. Campaign scanner. If I ain't a buy. It no buy a 1 more a year appointment. Ambassadors 1 more appointment. And so appointed Bevlola to so this a help for Indili. It was be say Bevlola to this a help for Indili. But when Russia phone a deal. To go no. Yebusa. God no. What could see our Emma a country bayer. And the near British God I could or the God no kosi awowa before campaign no e ma country benya yebusa question and the near British God dia kotuaka yebusa Sammy Gyamfi ne kofo it's where na jo mama ne cool leaders no aka mu ye die nka civilian leader ya to aba you there anka cool leaders fa ho bayi aka fe ku cool leaders nanim Ghana for ni bioma dwene obi odi agoro bi wo eye Burkina gold no be fa ba bi na akọ ba bi o na ni abiri nyina eso tenika e bi se no be support campaign bi a wan support ne keke it is Sammy Gyamfi men kan say per section 622 Obana tribunal say MPP for move asem ko jema mo license now the court of appeal you can only go on the point of law only mo MPP for moto and ye ya lawyer for party what dwene ye mo ya na mo trauma we be ye mra adeba no kobi we ye mra point of law adeba no na Sammy Gyamfi se wo ba beto gold dia yan gongo ya Sammy Gyamfi ene okuje trouble akwa de yensuo ni ye ya no mo de kire manfo introduce asha shoe asha African wear akọ gina nsuo ho eye press conference Erika je ni Sammy Gyamfi ene me busamo mo GoldBod na activity no et yensuo ni de na be ye no mo need conscience. You people don't have conscience. You lack conscience. The call ngura ma me kotu se me nuanu bebre galamsi me ba no mo be kon ye bo bidum din the coin na committee me age concession Sammy Gyamfi wabuawe acting won believe say yen show na say ne ha ne da e ha na ko metra say GoldBod beto gold e wa bro nim say galamsey gold ko no beto no mo to galamsey gold no mo de be fa Burkina no mo de akwan Sammy Gyamfi trikuduom ai atwa dankat yen show be bokudu afa bia an wo teso ene Sammy Gyamfi say gold no aye e say show ne no an wo beto eno a ana mo trauma we GoldBod we okuje to wo pedi baba ko onka no kropo okuje to and then show no ko se bi mesi wai ke kana ni manya msompa e mo ahodi woni wo an kurase okuje to blakwa obi afa show no ko se bi mesi wo enti MPP4 ene Ghana for mo betra ma su konuma we ne board kro obi akomne ba what's galamsey the money mo shedit na yen kokotie eye ekosiprat yentino
we elected President John Dramani Mahama as the chief manager of the affairs of this country. We did not sell Ghana to him. Ghana does not belong to him. Ghana does not belong to the NDC. Any government which is not able to solve the problem of galamsey is a useless government. We don't need that government.
We can should be as Uncle Kusi or you leftist. You can't leftist. You word a politics. Either you are right, center right, and now center left. Center right for a capitalist and one MPP4 a professor me. And a center left and here more say a woman and chroma yes na Uncle Kusi where you center left. It will need your mamma near the one going to come and crew. It will not or check your mamma pa. I didn't know what I say. Your mama and me so be a galamsey away useless government. Yamana Meka. Uncle Sineka. Massa. It was it. I go be. General. Galamsey fight no kusi. Omo by some bishimukina. Omo be giant so. And they will use this to control the gold space. Omo man before kwam omo nya a license.
Na say some river kire Sammy Gyamfi say wo hwe a na so ma no kwam the GoldBod be say ne komu a e de beba obeda mu na busua na fifa oni agro na onim de all kan kosie kire wadwe ma me e wo comment section how you Penyah block me.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!